So how dirty do your solar panels have to be before you think you ought to clean them? Pretty sure I've let mine go too long. Not making much solar under here, but keeps it out of the weather when we're storing it. But, I'm going to clean them up, get them back in tip-top shape where they'll make the most power, because right now they're pretty dirty. So let me get the water and some soap, get after it. All right, I got my soap, I got the water up here. I'm gonna start cleaning them up. Let you watch me get some of this dirt off of here. Using regular dishwashing soap. Don't worry about stripping wax or anything. It's also important to wash under your panels too and keep the roof clean. You know, I wondered that myself. If you'd be able to tell any difference or not, since these, I guess, from everybody riding by and all the dust. It's talking about it's a blanket there on top of it.
Yeah, so, and you don't get no rain there either,
yeah.
Rinse it off, so that's probably what the deal is there.
Yeah, I washed off the trailer off too, man.
Ours was dirty really good the last time we went to the farm, and 60 miles an hour through a rainstorm. Yeah,
That
things clean as
clean
whistle.
right off.
Yeah, it did, sure did.
Near to life. That was my buddy John that stopped by. He lives right down the street here. He's also got a cargo conversion trailer. Got solar on his. So I don't know if you can hear it or not. He was talking about that he never cleans his. He can't tell the difference between them being clean and being dirty. However, he said, yeah, but he don't keep his parked under a cover like this either. So they're always getting washed off. This one's got people coming by with so much dirt, dust, and stuff floating around it. Just a blanket of it on top of it. And it's better to keep your roof clean too. You know, you get dirt and stuff caked up on it, start having problems with it. So I always try to keep the top clean, keep the solar panels cleaned off. We're getting ready to go on a trip and make sure I get optimal performance out of it. So anyway, we finished cleaning them up, so I'll tell you if you stop by. Now's a good time to clean up your awning trash. Clean the other end out real good. This here's actually really clean. So, dirt out of it. And there you have it. That's how you clean your solar panels. All nice and freshed up again. They should do really good on the next trip. People are going to want to know there's 2,225 watts of solar on top, so that's 2 1/4 kilowatts of solar. And you can go back and watch some other videos I got about batteries and upgrades. See what all we got here. But we operate with a mini splitter, refrigerator, and all the lights, all the amenities of home. And we're boondocking. We never want for power. Everything works just like it should. It's like we're plugged into shore power. So if you like solar, look into it a little more. It is kind of expensive up front, but if you're going to do much boondocking like we do, it really pays for itself in the long run. And you can't put a price on how happy the wife is and how happy I am whenever you just kind of walk away from it. It's still like it's plugged up. And we have 2 dogs and a cat travels with us. And so the air conditioner or the heater stays on, and we have a pet alarm that sends us a message if there's a problem. But so far, never had a problem. So, anyway, all cleaned up, I'm gonna get off the ladder. I might be doing it wrong, I don't know. Leave it in the comments below if you've got a better way that you do it, if you've got a better cleaner that works better. I just use dishwashing soap, it seems to work pretty well. I can still see a film on them sometimes, just because I don't get it with a scrub brush, but I don't really think I want to take a scrub brush to them. I don't know if it'd hurt them or not. I imagine it might scratch them. So I use a soft bristle brush like I was using a while ago. But if you got a better way to do it or a better cleaner, put in the comments below. I'm all about working easier, work smart, not hard. So till next time, we'll see you a little bit later.